Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 ISO in your system. There are two ways to install Windows 11 in your system. The first method is downloading Windows 11 straight from the internet and install it in your system. If your system did not meet the requirements, if your system did not meet the requirements, they would give you a message that shows that your system did not reach the requirements. In that case, what you will do is you use the second method, which is using a bootable USB drive to install it in your system. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two ways you can install it. Installing it directly from the internet, or if your system did not reach the requirement, you install it using bootable USB drive. So let's get started. You open your window on your browser, Windows 11, download Windows 11, you type it down, open it. Then you select your Windows 11, you scroll down and select it. Then you confirm. Then you select language. For me, I'm using English International. I click confirm. Next, you download the Windows 11 English International 64-byte download. Is downloading. So after downloading, you move it to your folder. But if you cannot install it here, it's downloading already. If you cannot install it and it shows you this message, it means your PC is currently not meeting the requirements. So we have to use the other method, which is the using the USB drive bootable method to install it. So that's what we are going to use. But before then, we have to download Rufus. It's a bootable device that will help your USB to install. So we click down Rufus to download it. We go to their latest release. We click on the latest release to download Rufus software. There are many softwares, but I prefer using Rufus. There are other software, but Rufus has an advantage for me. I don't know for you. So I install it. So I open it in my folder. I saved mine on my desktop. So I now have to load it on my USB drive. This USB is going to be used to install the Windows 11 unsupported PC. So you load the Rufus software inside your USB. So you slot your USB inside your system and load the Rufus software inside it. So now you are going to double click on this. So you double click on the Rufus software to load it on your USB drive. So already it has seen it. We are already there inside the USB drive loaded. So on the boot selection, you are going to the USB has been dictated and it has been loaded. So you select where you saved your Windows 11, which you downloaded. So you also have to load it inside the bootable USB drive. So you load it inside there, you click on it, click open. This is the Windows 11 you have already downloaded. So now on the image option, inside the image option, we are going to leave it like that. The Windows 11 has been uploaded in our drive. Then the image option standard, we'll leave it at window standard window installation. We leave it at that. Then in the partition scheme, it depends. It depends on your system. If your system is if your system, it depends on your system. If your system is legacy or UFI, so if your system is old or new. Okay, if you don't know how to find that, let me show you how to do it. You type MS Info 32 on your window. Once you're on the window, you click it open, then it will load. Then on the BIOS mode, you will see my own is UEFI. You see, it depends. So my own is UEFI. So it depends on your own. You will check what your own is. So you select it. So that is just to show you where you can get it. So now I choose GPT. That is mine. The UFI. If your own is old, you choose the other one. If your system is old system, you choose the other one. But mine is a GPT. That's why I'm using UEFI. So in the label here, you can call it anything. You can label it anything you like. Volume label. You can label your drive anything you like Windows 11. That's what I'm writing. That's what I'm labeling my own. Then file system, you leave it at NTFS. That's all. You leave it at NTFS. Then you click start. Now this will come up. These are the ticks that makes it. These are the area that makes it impossible for your system to install Windows 11. So you tick that first one and the second one. So I also tick the the fifth one. It's up to you, but the most important thing is to tick that first one. Remove requirement for 4 gig plus RAM, secure boots, and TPM 2.0. And the other one, remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. So that's all. So disable data collection skip. You can if you like, then click OK. This warning will come up. This is telling you that all data on your device in your USB will be wiped out if you click OK. So you check if you don't have anything that is important on it. You can click OK and continue. But if you have, you can go and back it up. But for this, we are continuing by clicking OK. We are clicking OK. So that's all. It starts installing.